Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be a Temu video. You guys, I partnered with Temu to show you guys all of the items that they have to offer. So if you want to see what and who Temu is, please keep watching. So Temu is an online retailer who is basically like a flea market online that you can buy different things from different vendors on their website for a very affordable price. Temu has been around for not that long, but they wanted to partner with me, which I'm so excited to show you guys. Today is going to be a clothing haul for me and the girls. I will be uploading a future video of other items besides the clothing, so I can test out everything from different categories on their website, so you guys can get the real tea on if it's worth it, if it's good quality, should you buy from them. This is a 100% honest review, so let's get started. So I'm going to start with shoes. I got these shoes. Let me put them the right way. I got these sandals, y'all, for the summertime. They are super cute. They had them in red, white, and blue, yellow, blue, and navy. I got this color because I thought these would be so cute for the summertime. I did try these on, and they fit perfectly. I like them. The quality of it is pretty good. It's, you know, it's sturdy. It's not like some flimsy type quality. These were super affordable. Everything that I'm listing today in this video will be all down in the description box, and a code just for you guys. So make sure that you check down below for the code. Sticking with sandals, I got this pair, which is this brown pair. I feel like I can wear this with so many different cute outfits this summer. They are flats without the heel. Again, quality of these are really good. They're not bendy, flimsy material. They are pretty good quality, and for a super affordable price. They fit really well. I just have to adjust the middle part to make it lay flat, but other than that, I like these sandals a lot. Okay, so if most of you follow me, then you already know I had did an unboxing of an unsponsored video for Temu, and it was for some clothes that I had ordered. It was my first order. A lot of the clothes that I got, I wasn't a huge fan of. Let me not say that. I did like the clothes, however, all of them were pretty much too big. So I am in the midst of me losing weight, so I'm still trying to figure out what size to wear, and being this is my first time ordering from them, I ordered up a size, and now I know that most of their clothes run true to size. So be mindful of that. Don't do what I did. However, I will say this, the return was amazing. It went smooth. This was before I ordered that before this sponsored video. I returned those clothes and everything was smooth to a T, no issues. The return, I wanted to test out to see if it would be good, easy, and it was. So whenever this video, I made sure that I ordered everything true to size. This first top that I got is this cute orange, very summery, spring summerish top here. I love the detailing in the sleeves. I love how flowy it is. It's not super thick, but it's not thin. My last order that I ordered from them was the clothes were thin. This was not thin. This is super duper cute, and I brought a skirt to pair it with. This skirt here is super cute. It's not double lined, so don't look for it to be double lined. I feel like it's light and airy, and it's cute, and it fits perfectly. I can definitely see myself wearing this to a wedding, wearing this to even to work if I want to be dressed up a day. Definitely a church outfit. The list can go on and on, that you can actually pair it with some white bottoms at the bottom with this. This shirt is very versatile. You can pair it with the bodysuit with this. I'm loving it. Next up, I was so excited when I saw this on the website for such a cheap price. Y'all, some of this stuff is sold on other websites for double the price. So I was happy to find it. This is the cute fringe skirt here, you guys. It is so cute. I got it to be long. It's a bodycon skirt, so it does fit pretty snug. It is true to size. The material of it is not thin. I like it, and it's breathable, but it's not thick like I thought it would be, and I think it's really good quality, to be honest with you. So I love this skirt. I can see myself styling it many different ways. As you guys can see, I ordered this top to pair it with. I believe I ordered this one in a large. I'll put it on the screen what size I ordered this in. I love this top. It is a thinner material, but I like it because I think it'll be perfect for the summertime with the sleeves to be cut off. There isn't any fringes, you know, going around to it. Nothing that I could say that I would want to return it. I think this top is super cute, especially styled with the black skirt. Now lastly, these items I will not be trying on because of what it is and because of my modesty. I won't be trying these on, but I will show you guys what I got, which is these pajamas here. These are kind of like some cosmic pajamas. These are the shorts, and this is the top here. I will put it on the screen to show you guys what it looks like on the website, but I think it's super cute, almost kind of crop toppy, very, very, very cute. The next item I got, again, will not be trying this on, but these are some really cute seamless undies here. I like how the cut is. The material of it honestly feels like a very well-known competitor who makes these. This is super, super cute. In the cheetah print, I got the top to match it. This is like a little bralette here with the triangle top. This is how the top looks. Definitely, this is more, this is not a supportive bra. This is just a seamless type of top. So it's what I expected it to be. I didn't expect it to be like, you know, super supportive, hold them up, but I think it's cute. And that's all I got from me, so let's move on to the girls. I got Mala this super adorable hooded dress that's black and white. It has the pockets in the front and the hood to it. This is like perfect for the summertime. They were so excited to try their clothes on. I love this. The quality of this is pretty good. It's not thin. It's not thick. It is breathable, so it's perfect for the summertime. I got this set for Mala as well. It has the khaki shorts with the white top here. And I believe that I ordered this in a 6'7", so it did come true to size. But this is so adorably cute. It's cute on Mala and it's cute in person, and it was cute on the website. Into summer outfits, I got her a little cute rainbow. This is actually not rainbow. This is tie-dye. It's the short set here and the top that says love. This is perfect for the summertime because she's going to be out of school. She could just throw on this little cute little set and go to my mom's house or actually go to camp. Now, I ordered this outfit for Malia. I got this in a 4-5. To me, it did kind of run bigger than I expected, so I got Mala to wear it. It has the little bell-bottom cow print pants at the bottom, and the top says "Be Kind" to match the top. This was adorable on them, on Mila actually. I felt like the pants and the shirt did run bigger for Malia, but this is adorable. This next piece, I was super duper impressed with the quality on this. I did not think it would be such thick quality of a dress. I think that Mala wore this dress very well. I did order this in a 5'6", and she is in between a 5 and a 6, so this ran true to size. She looked adorable in wearing this. I love the color block of it, the pink and the black and the white. Now, when it was time for Malia to try these clothes on, she was doing too much. She was just a little sassy mama. So Mala tried this dress on, and Malia was telling her, turn around, I'll put your hands on the hip. But she looks so cute trying this dress on. I think it's adorable for any occasion, especially for the summertime. So cute! And speaking of a color block dress, Malia loved this dress. I ordered this in a size 5, but and she is 4 years old, so this dress kind of ran a little bit small. But this is in a size 5 and it fit Malia perfectly. I thought that this was just adorable. So I wanted them to wear some cute short sets. So I got this polka dot one here, this nude and polka dot one that is, I'm not sure what size it is, but I'll definitely put it on the screen. This is adorable on Malia. She loved this outfit. This is the one she did not want to take off. So cute. And last but not least, I got this outfit for Malia. Again, it's a short set here. The inside has this sequence. The inside has this lace on here that kind of gives it the illusion of like kind of a gray, but it's a white under part and black with black lace on top with the puff sleeves. And it came with these shorts that are just adorable. And it also came with this belt here, but I didn't know how to put it on her. I'm pretty sure I could have tied it around her waist, but I had her tuck it in because this short had a belt to it. And these are the last two outfits that I got for Mala and Malia. They are ready. They wore these last night, so they're in the dirty clothes. But these are the outfits that they both were so excited to try on these dresses. They wore them to church, and they both wore them very well. These were adorable. Alright guys, so that completes this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Please be sure to check down in the description box for all codes and links to the items that I purchased today. Thank you so much, Temu, for sponsoring this video and working with me on this video. I was so excited. So excited enough that I'm going to be posting another video of everything else that I got from all the other categories on Temu. They have everything from dog to clothes to travel to home to everything. So I got a little bit of this and a little bit of that. So if you want to see what I got, be sure to come back to my channel to watch my next video. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel on your way out, and I will check you guys out in my next video. Bye.